Word up, ibast that niggas right now.
Ain't none of them niggas can't fuck with me.
To dot protest to mukvat. Nigga you could never fuck with me, me nigga.
I'll fuck you up right now. What? 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 Bust your motherfucking ass boy. I ain't no motherfucking joke.
You know what you tal conto.
All dirty bastardic namsagen? I'll fuck you up right now, yeah? What? What?
E metteone manarmi, asoni venever de ento kenut, ike mx lo okkinut dropshens slikki giris bedrop in babis enuggetomaki aniga gokra azi energi building, takon LTS of medicinis juras tuggetjuere better tanazon, ike planet sin orbit quilei becum inuit tet, bitin more shit.
Enough to make ya break, and shake ya ass cause I create, rhymes good as a tasty cake, mix this style, I'm mastered in niggas catching headaches, what? What? You need aspirin, this type of pain, you couldn't even kill with mid-all fuck around get sprayed with Lysol.
Fuck around jet spray ed with Lysol in your facel chiacan of mace, babies it burning. Well fuck it, now you really are me no, I don't even like your motor fu contro filagive memi fu con shit, ch blow.
Not seen and heard, no one knows you forget, niggas be quiet as kept now you know nothing, before you knew a whole fucking lot your ass don't wanna get shot, a lot of MCs came to my showdown to watch me put your fucking ass low or down as you can go, below zero without a doubt I've never been taken out, by nigga, who couldn't figure.
By a nigga, wo couldn't figure.
By nigga, who couldn't figure.
By a nigga, wo couldn't figure.
By nigga, who couldn't figure.
Autopulla fucking un trigger side.
Get the fuck out here. My hip hop drops on your head like rain.